This is Gundruk Jhol. If you've never come across Gundruk before, it's a Nepalese ingredient made by fermenting mustard greens, though other leafy greens are used sometimes too. I first had Gundruk Jhol because of my partner. Now it's one of those meals I make whenever we want something comforting that doesn't take much effort. One little warning though, they say eating Gundruk at night gives you a sore throat. So maybe save this one for lunch. Let's get started. First, we need the Gundruk, of course. Soak it in hot water for a few minutes. This just softens it up and gets rid of any dirt. While that's soaking, finely chop 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, about an inch of ginger, and 1 onion. We'll also need 1 green chilli slit and a tomato finely chopped. Now drain the Gundruk and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Heat a little oil in a karai. Mustard oil is a great choice here, but any neutral oil works just fine. Add some soybeans, or Bhatmas as they are called in Nepalese. Fry them until they're browned and, more importantly, nice and crunchy. Take them out and keep them aside for later. In the same pan, add some cumin seeds. Once they start to sizzle, add the ginger and garlic and saute for about a minute. Then add the onions and green chilli and cook until the onions turn translucent. Next, go in the tomatoes along with some salt and a pinch of turmeric. Cook until the tomatoes soften. Now for the star of the dish, the Gundruk. Mix it through and let it cook for a couple of minutes. Now goes the reserved Bhatmas. Now add plenty of water. We want this nice and frothy. Let it simmer gently over low heat. While that's happening, chop up some fresh coriander for garnish. Now that it's come to a boil, finish with some jaggery to round everything off. Switch off the heat and add the coriander. And that's Gundruk Jhol. Warm, tangy, and the kind of meal that instantly feels comforting. We love having it with a plate of steaming hot rice, some aloo bhaja, and a simple omelette. It's our kind of lazy weekend lunch. If you give it a try, I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this video, do consider subscribing. It really helps support the channel. Until next time, take care and ta-ta.